Hi everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner. I'm so excited to bring you this video. I received these when I purchased my mystery bag from Zoya. I wanted to do this video for you because right now the repair kit is $39 and 0.5 ounces of the serum is $30 and the Jelly Cure repair base is $24. So that's an incredible deal if you wanted to try this out. I was using it for a couple of weeks and I love it actually. It's really awesome. So I want to show you how to apply it and tell you about the benefits of it. And there is a sale coming up this weekend, which would be March. I believe the sale is March 6th and 7th. But, you know, follow Zoya on Instagram and Facebook, and you'll always be notified when they have specials and sales and that kind of thing. I really have no idea what it's about. I just got an email from them. Also, apply for their emails online. I just got an email from them saying there's going to be some huge sale on this weekend. So I thought that I would do this video and get the word out. So let's take a look at these two things. What this is, it's a nail treatment for strong, healthy looking nails. It is made from natural oils, fibers, and fillers, and pH conditioners to be rubbed directly into your nails and sealed with a clear nail polish, which would be this. This is going to reinforce the strength and flexibility of your nails' keratin fibers. And, you know, this one just seals it all in. This one does the reinforcing. This one seals it in. And then you can put your favorite Zoya nail polish on right over it and your top coat, and you're good to go, and your nails will be nice and healthy. The first step in prepping your nail says to file your nails, you know, like you normally would when you're putting nail polish on or something like that. The kit comes with a nail file buffer. Mine came with the mystery kit that I got. And then it also says to clean off everything, you can use your Remove Plus. I love this remover. I have like a bunch of bottles of it. This is really good. It's non-drying the way acetone sometimes dries, and it removes your nail polishes perfectly. So it says that you can clean your nails off after you're done doing the prep. You can clean them off with the Remove Plus, and then you're good to go with the serum. The next step is to apply a pea-sized drop of the serum on your finger. There we go. Yeah, that's about the size of a pea. Then get it evenly onto both fingers. Then just apply it evenly onto all of your fingers, like that. Then rub it in to your fingers, nails, to your fingernails, until the nail is completely dry. So you just want to keep rubbing it in until it's dry. You can't have your nails wet. So just do that for a few minutes. Once you get it in, then you can just, to get it rubbed in really good, then you can just let it dry, because if you keep rubbing at it, it's on your fingers. So then just let your nails dry. Okay, so I'm just going to take another finger, and my nails are dry. The next step is to take it's the Jelly Cure Repair Base Coat, but you don't have to cure it or anything. And you're going to shake it up because it says to shake. And when you're done shaking it, you're just going to apply it over the top of your nail. This dries just like a base coat. It is a base coat. So once it's dry, you can apply any polish you want. And then don't forget to top coat your polish if you want it to last long. Otherwise, you can just wear it like this, and your nails will look nice and healthy. Well, they will be nice and healthy. It dries to a satin natural finish on your nails, so they're not shiny or anything like that. I actually love this product, and I'm kind of excited to buy a couple more of those kits because they're such a good deal. You're saving so much money. If you have the Jelly Cure kit, these 2 items are in the Jelly Cure kit too. I actually didn't know until the mystery bag that you can use them on their own without curing. So that was a really good thing to know. That's actually it for this video. It is that simple. Put the serum on, rub it in until it's dry, add the base coat on, and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.